you start in Auto 1 and it's really basic. You just learn about tire changes, general management, you know, learning the basics, the ins and outs of a car. And as you get towards Auto 3 and 4, you get to learn more advanced things such as putting an engine together and things like that. So, I mean, as long as you're in the program, you're gonna learn as much as you wanna learn about the cars. It's a life skill. So, you know, you take this and regardless of how much you take, you're gonna be able to have skills that you can apply right away. For a lot of students, they're gonna end up driving before they graduate. So it's good to know about the cars. And if automotive is the career you're thinking about or interested in, this is a great way to both learn about it and get certifications in areas that you can take into college or beyond industry careers as well. As you go through the program, you're working on real cars, both customer and donated. So what you're doing is always going to be live. It's always going to be hands-on. And we also take a number of field trips. You know, everything you do is going to be some sort of mini project. It's going to get you information and real life experience. So it's a lot of fun. So starting at Auto 1, it's going to be really simple, just the basics about the car, and as you work your way up, you're going to get more in depth, you're going to have knowledge to build off of. It's about 50-50 classroom and, you know, hands-on work, but really most of what you're going to be doing is going to come out to that hands-on work. But if you are more classroom oriented, through today's class you'll be taking lots of different courses. You'll get run-throughs of how to do what you're doing, different tutorials, you know, testing. And you know, you don't have any homework as well because you, as the teacher likes to say, you can't take cars home with you. So everything you do is going to be contained in class. You're going to have help from the teacher and your friends the whole time. And it's really nice just to be able to get both the academic side and the hands-on side. It's a fail-proof class. You know, you can get really a B minimum as long as you stick with the program and you're doing what you need to do. And if you enjoy it, you know, you continue through with that, you can just get a lot of good certifications out of that come Auto 3 and Auto 4. A lot of people have gotten opportunities at local dealerships, you know, Mercedes, things like that. You get a lot of opportunities educationally as well. So it's a really holistic class and I definitely encourage it.